Hey there, if you have that smell in the basement that you can't get rid of, or maybe your garage just reeks, or maybe you even have a stinky car, maybe this is the answer. This is an ozone generator that the brand sent over. What this does is it converts oxygen into O3 or ozone, and that ozone can help eliminate those super strong odors you've been trying to get rid of. This unit is only about 3.5 pounds, but it can treat up to 6,000 square feet at once. It has a hold button on it where you can leave it on continually, or you can set the timer for the time that you need. Some important things to note about using this generator is that you cannot be in the house or area with it on. When this is in use, there should not be any humans, pets, plants, anything like that in the area. So it's important to read that instruction manual for all the specific directions on how to use this properly. Some other things to note is that the top is removable, so if that fan gets built up with dust and all that after a while, the top can be removed so the fan can be cleaned. Another thing to note is there's a fuse box on the back, so if that fuse goes out, then it is removable so that it can be changed and replaced. Once you've taken care of that odor in the house or maybe in the garage, then the area should be fully ventilated for about an hour or so. So get those windows and doors open and let in the fresh air. If you're looking for a powerful way to knock out those odors, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.